So this question says 1 gallon of paint will cover 220 square feet of a surface. I'm going to write that down. 1 gallon gives you 220 square feet. A room has a total wall area of W square feet. Okay? Which equation represents the total amount of paint, P, in gallons? Okay, so we have the unit gallons. I'm going to put that over here. So P gallons needed to paint the walls of the room twice. Well, I know the room has a total wall area of W, but P goes with painting the walls twice, so that would be 2W. So 2W square feet. All right. So usually whenever you're comparing different units, right, gallon to square feet, gallon to square feet, we're going to set up a proportion. So the proportion for us in this case would be 1 to 220, right? And one way to say it is 1 is to 220 as P is to 2W. Right? The gallons of paint required to cover 220 square feet of a surface is the same as, or is equivalent to, in terms of relationship, the total amount of paint in gallons to paint the walls of the room twice. So to simplify this, I can cross multiply. That's how you solve proportion questions. So W times 2W, well, that's 2W. P times 220, well, that's 220P. I'm solving for P, so that means I divide both sides by 220. 2 divided by 220 is 1 over 110. So what I'm left with here is W over 110 is equal to P, and therefore choice A is the correct answer.